Ever wonder where all your money actually goes? You pay your bills. You buy groceries. Maybe splurge a little. But at the end of the month, it feels like your paycheck just evaporated. Let me show you a simple, proven framework to take control of your finances. The 50-30-20 rule. This isn't some rigid, complicated spreadsheet nonsense. It's a flexible budgeting strategy that actually works in real life. Here's how it breaks down. 50% of your take-home pay goes to needs. Think rent or mortgage, groceries, basic utilities, insurance, transportation, minimum loan payments. Stuff you literally can't live without. Then 30% is for wants. Yes, wants. You're allowed to have fun. This includes travel, dining out, entertainment, shopping, even that gym membership you sometimes use. These things aren't essential, but they make life enjoyable. And the last 20%? That's for savings and debt repayment. This is your future money. It's where you pay off debt above the minimums, stash cash in an emergency fund, and invest in retirement. So you're not scrambling when life throws a curveball. Now here's the key. The 50-30-20 rule isn't set in stone. If you're laser-focused on crushing debt or stacking savings, it's totally fine to cut back on wants and shift more to the savings category. It's flexible. It's yours. So if you're tired of guessing where your money's going and you're ready to start making it work for you, this is your starting point. Click the link in the description to start building a smarter, stronger financial future today.